Good morning, children. Are you all ready for today's English class? Yes. What did we learn in the last class, children? We learned a poem, No No Bird. Do you all remember the poem? Yes. Who is the poet? Andrew Fusek Peter. Do you all remember it? So what is the poem name? No No Bird, written by Andrew Fusek Peter. Very good. So first we will revise the poem and then today we are going to write the hard words, question and answer and fill in the blanks for this poem. Okay, children? Are you all ready? Very good. First, can we tell the poem now? Yes. We can sing together, okay? I'm the no bird. That's right. That's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. I am the no bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and I shout and cry. I am the no bird. I slunk and sing no to everything. Can we sing it again? I am the no bird. That's right. That's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. I am the no bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and I shout and cry. I am the no bird. I slunk and sing no to everything. Andrew Fusek Peter. So children, you all remember the poem? You should know to sing the poem. Okay children? Once again, I will tell you, repeat after me. I am the no bird. That's right. That's me. I am the no bird. That's right. That's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. I live up in the tantrum tree. I am the no bird. I won't say why. I am the no bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and I shout and cry. I stamp my feet and shout and cry. I am the no bird. I slunk and sing. I am the no bird. I slunk and sing no to everything. No to everything. So children, did you all understand the poem? Yes. Who is the poet? Andrew Fusek Peter. Very good. So children, you should know to recite the poem. Okay? Yes. Now take your note Put today's date. Take out your note. Put today's date. Put heading English. Lesson 4. Lesson 4. Heading No, 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 bird. Heading No, no, bird. Andrew Fusek Peter. Poet name Andrew Fusek Peter. Andrew, Andrew. Andrew Fusek, Fusek. Fusek. Peter, Peter. Peter. Did you all write it? Yes. Put the heading hard words. Did you all put, children? Very good. Put number 1. Write. R-I-G-H-T. Write. R-I-G-H-T. Write. R-I-G-H-T. Write. Number 2. Live. L-I-V-E. Live. Number 2. Live. L-I-V-E. Live. Number 3. Tantrum. Tan. T-A-N-T-R-U-M. Tantrum. Stamp. S-T-A-M-P. Stamp. S-T-A-M-P. Stamp. S-T-A-M-P. Stamp. Fifth one, shout. S-H-O-U-T. Shout. S-H-O-U-T. Shout. Did you all write all this, children? Yes. Did you all write all this, children? Yes. Once again, first one, write. R-I-G-H-T. Write. Second one, live. L-I-V-E. Live. Third one, tantrum. T-A-N-T-R-U-M. Tantrum. Fourth one, stamp. S-T-A-M-P. Stamp. Fifth one, shout. S-H-O-U-T. Shout. Did you all write till this, children? Yes. Next, we are going to write the fill in the blanks. Write the heading, fill in the blanks. F-I-L-L, fill. In, I-N, in. The, T-H-E, the. Blanks, B-L-A-N-K-S, blanks. Did you all write it, children? Yes. Put number 1. The child lives up in the tantrum tree. Children, fill in the blanks means you will have a blank. In that we are going to write. Okay? See, I have given a dash there, right? Tantrum is underlined word. So that is the dash. Okay? The children lives up in the dash tree will be the question. And you will write tantrum. Okay? Yes. The child lives up in the tantrum tree. You are right. The child, C-H-I-L-D, child, lives, L-I-V-E-S, live, up, U-P, up, in, I-N, in, the, T-H-E, the, dash tree. In the dash you write tantrum. T-A-N-T-R-U-M, tantrum. Tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Did you all write it, children? Yes. The child lives up in the tantrum tree. Okay? Yes. Second one. The child can shout and dash. The child can shout and dash. What is the dash? What the child can do? It can shout and cry. Yes, in the dash we are going to write cry. Now write the line. The, T-H-E, the, child, C-H-I-L-D, child, can, C-A-N, can, S-H-O-U-T, shout, and, A-N-D, and, dash. In the dash write cry, C-R-Y, cry. Yes, did you all write it? Very good. Next, third one. He says dash to everything. What he says? He says no to everything, right? He says dash to everything. He says no to everything. He, he says, says, says no, no, no. You have to underline the word no. To, to everything, everything, everything. Did you all write till this? Yes. Next, we are going to write answer the following. Okay? Answer the following. Write the heading. Answer the following. ANSWER. Answer the. THE. The following. 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 First question. What is the title of the poem? So, what is the title of the poem? No, no bird. Yes. Write the question. What? WHAT. What is? IS. Is. The. 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 Title. 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 Of. 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 The. 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 Poem. 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 Put a question mark. Next line, write ANS. Answer. The. 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 Title. 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 Of. 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 The. 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 Poem. 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 Is. Is. No, no bird. Within quotations. You have to write within the quotations. If you do not put 2 commas, you just put 1 above. Okay? No. 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 Hyphen. NO. No. Hyphen. Bird. 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 Did you all write it, children? Yes. So, what is the first question? What is the title of the poem? Answer. The title of the poem is No, No Bird. Did you all write it? Yes. Second one. Put number 2. Do you like this poem? That is the question that we are going to write. Okay? Do, D-O, do. You, Y-O-U, you. Like, L-I-K-E, like. This, T-H-I-S, this. Poem, P-O-E-M, poem. Question mark. Answer, yes, Y-E-S, yes, comma, I, like, L-I-K-E, like, this, T-H-I-S, this, poem, P-O-E-M, poem. Okay, what is the question? Do you like this poem? Yes, I like this poem. Did you all write till this, children? Yes. So, we have learned the new poem, No No Bird. It is written by Andrew Fusek Peter. So, you have to by heart the poem. You have to by heart the spellings, hard words, and fill in the blanks and question and answers. Okay, children? And you should remember what we learned before also. Okay? Yes. So, with this, we are finishing this lesson. I will meet you in the next class with the new lesson. Okay, children? Thank you.